This light kit looks like it's going to be really easy to install on the Everest Gen 7, either the Pro or the standard model, and really any RC car that you want. Especially so here because the receiver is right outside and on top. You can pull these out, insert the jumper wires, and key right into here. We should be able to hook this up with no problem. The hardest part is actually going to be the cosmetic stuff, wiring all these to the lights and all that on the body. So let's see. So 3mm yellow, 5mm white, da 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 da. So yellow goes into D1 and D7. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And the other yellows go on the other side. Just go on down the line. We only have, yeah, we have small reds and large reds, so small reds go in here. Okay, and then the little yellows, and these will be the turn signals. Okay, all these wires running around. See, now we do our jumpers. So it's just a Y configuration so that you can plug this end into the receiver and then carry on one to your servo or your speed control, and then the other one can be for your lights. So let's see. Right here we have channel 1 and channel 2, it says on top. And then underneath it, it describes how you put in your wires. So this one goes black, red, white, and this one goes white, red, black. Let's do channel 1 first. Black on the outside. Or channel 2 first. I'm gonna pull channel 2. Black is on the outside. And then I'm gonna pull this one. I want to be careful because the colors are different. We've got brown on the outside, so brown is black in this case. And I want to plug that directly into here. So the brown continues on with the black, the yellow with the white, red, and red. Get that on, black to the outside or the back of the truck. Then the jumper for speed controller, match up black, black, white, white. And it fits in really nicely. I didn't have to shove it or anything. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay, so on initial start we have our headlights on and 2 of the small red lights, so the taillights will just glow. And I don't know why, I don't know if that's what it's supposed to do, if those are supposed to flash all the time. So if I turn, it looks like I've got those backwards so far. So I'm already seeing there's a lot you can do with this light kit, just kind of hooking it up without the body, even put the red, you know, just dangle them in front there. But I mean, that would be really cool for some under lighting effects. It seems to work perfectly with the Everest. So that's just first glance. Sticking them right in the stock bumpers. If I leave it steady for a little bit, parking lights are going to activate. This is a really cool light kit. And like I said, it was the least expensive there. So under 30 bucks. That's really cool. I'm definitely going to have some fun hooking this up to the body.